Sell commercial insurance to work from home? I love your question. I can help you out with this. My name is Brando Linick. Hey there, coming to you from my home office. Now, having done this and having done different forms of work from home businesses and opportunities, the best tip I'll give you is if you're looking at this to build an income and a business, to be your own boss, learn to attract people to you. Having gotten around a lot of people in this industry who have gotten started in sales, who've gotten started in selling insurance and failed to learn any real marketing skills, and therefore get started in a company that's offering products and services and make a couple sales but not enough, and not enough commissions to really feed themselves at the end of every month, and therefore they quit and go back to a regular job. If you don't want to experience that, the best tip I'll give you, having gotten around people who've earned consistent incomes of $5,000 to $10,000 to $50,000 per month in income, not sales, is learn to build a list. Learn to build a list of people who like, know, and trust you that is growing every single day. Without cold market prospecting, learn to build a list of new people who like, know, and trust you every day. And I re-emphasize that because if you only have an immediate sphere of influence of like friends and family and that's it, you're eventually going to run out of people to talk to sell your insurance to sell your products and services to. This applies across any type of business model, all right, not just insurance. But when it comes down to this, you have to have a list of new people who like, know, and trust you every single day, 365 days a year, because if you don't, like I said, you're going to run out of people to talk to. And if you don't want to be a part of the NFL club, not talking about football, but the No Friends Left club, I would encourage you, if you don't have a list and it's not growing every day, learn how to leverage systems on the internet. Learn how to use systems online to attract an endless amount of people to you so you don't have to go out there and hunt people down. Learn to become the hunted instead of the hunter. And this is a big breakthrough that I had going back about 15 months ago when I came across a person who was building an income and business on the internet without chasing people down. People were coming to them every day. They're making multiple six figures and they weren't doing any cold prospecting. They weren't doing home meetings or three-way calls, none of that. None of that. Alright, and because they weren't doing that, I started to model and copy them. In less than 3 months, I created a full-time income business working part-time. I've been able to personally enroll in the last month and a half here a person per day in my primary business. Those aren't average or typical results, but it's to share with you that this stuff does work. It can work for you. It really comes down to your list. It's not a million things you got to learn. It's not sales tactics and techniques. All right, most people can't sell. I would encourage you, learn to leverage systems to do the selling for you. Learn to use systems to attract people to you. All right, to attract an endless amount of people to you so you never run out of people to talk to. That way you don't have to do home meetings or three-way calls or cold prospect people or pitch your friends and family, and you can decide to get started in any opportunity and take that skill of leveraging systems online and go in anything you choose and just build yourself an instant business like that. Obviously not guaranteeing you the same results, not guaranteeing you any results here, just sharing with you what's possible, but that's the best tip I could give you. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's been fun talking with you. If you like this kind of stuff, you'd like to learn more about building an income and business online from home, if you're coachable and trainable, you're willing to learn some things, check out my site down below. It's 123marketingtips.com. The link will be in the description. You'll see a video there from myself explaining exactly how I've done this, how you can do it too. I'll also introduce you to my good friend and mentor who shared this with me going back 15 months ago, who's traveling, building a multiple six-figure income, and hope you got value, and I'll see you on the beaches of the world. Take care.